I was like,
I got Jack in the car.
what? Let's go to the floor?
Crystal, did you say Jack?
What happened?
Oh my god. Turn your fucking.
You don't never get pulled over by cops like that.
Yeah, ever. I know, Darnell, ever.